Hello guys, welcome back to yet another review video. In this video, we'll review Oxygen OS 11 Open Beta 4 for OnePlus 8 and 8 Pro. By the way, a sub to this channel will be really appreciated, which might help a channel grow faster. So now without wasting any more time, let's start the review of Oxygen OS 11 Open Beta 4. In this video, we won't be covering the changelogs of Oxygen OS Open Beta 4. We'll more focus on the bug fixes over the previous update. And also guys, if you're facing a lot of bugs on Oxygen OS 11, then for once make sure you completely reset your device. That means perform a factory reset including internal storage. That might solve 80% of your issues, but still we have few bugs available on Android 11 and those have been acknowledged by OnePlus. Most of our users have been facing issues related to navigation, and even I used to face that issue, but after updating my launcher to the latest version, I no more have those issues on my OnePlus 8. So right now you can see current version of my device is 5.0.20, and if you guys don't have this APK, I'll leave a link in the description below. You can download and install it manually, because after updating the launcher to the latest version, I don't have any kind of issues related to navigation. And another bug what people have been facing is related to YouTube, in which if you are watching the video in landscape mode, by tapping this icon, people are not able to turn the screen in portrait mode, as you can see here. But there's a simple fix for this. There are two ways you can turn your screen into portrait mode. One is by turning your device and you should see an icon to flip the screen. And the second one is you enable auto rotate option, and after that if you tap this icon, the screen will turn into portrait mode. So yes, this is a bug on Oxygen OS Open Beta 4, but this can be easily fixed by turning on auto rotation. Another issue which 80% of audience had was related to updating apps and downloading large files from Play Store. So this issue is not available on Open Beta 4. I can easily download all the files and I can also update all the applications. Many users had issue with Prime Videos, but till now I haven't found any kind of issues with this application on my Open Beta 4. And we had lots of queries related to Shelf. People asking if they can enable right swipe to open up Shelf, and yes, on Open Beta 4 we get this option. As you can see here, swiping towards the right hand side, you can open up Shelf, and on the right top corner you'll see an option where you can switch between Shelf and Google Feed. So yes, this feature is available on Open Beta 4. And another issue which people were facing on Open Beta 3 was related to Alexa hands-free, and that issue is still available on Open Beta 4. As you can see, I've already enabled Alexa hands-free and it doesn't respond to my voice commands. So let's see an example. Alexa, and here you can see it doesn't wake up. After even turning off battery optimization for Alexa, still it doesn't work on Open Beta 4, so it's still a bug on the current beta. I've already reported this issue, so let's wait and watch when OnePlus gonna fix this issue. And fingerprint issue have been fixed by OnePlus on Open Beta 4. Now we don't see any kind of issues related to unlocking device with fingerprint unlock. Another issue which is still not being fixed on Open Beta 4 after even given feedback by lots of people, wherein under Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning doesn't turn off. Whenever you turn it off, after few seconds or minutes, it automatically gets turned on. You guys have been asking me about it. It's still not fixed in the latest Open Beta for OnePlus 8 series. And horizon light issue have been fixed with Open Beta 4. Not all, but few users were having issues related to horizon light. Now let's talk about the camera segment. On the stable OS, camera version was 5.6.30. On beta, slight updates have been done related to camera version, and now version is 5.6.46. After this update, camera performance have become more worse. Picture clicked in daylight conditions and with nightscape are decent. I won't say it's great, but when it comes to portrait mode, both with front and back camera, photos are completely messed up. Using front camera, device have a lot of issues in edge detection. Camera was far better on stable channel of Oxygen OS 11.0.1.1. So overall camera quality is pathetic on Oxygen OS 11 Open Beta 4. If you use your device regularly to click pictures, then I won't recommend you guys to update your device to Open Beta 4. If you are already on Open Beta 3, then you can stay on that until we receive an update which improves picture quality on Open Beta channel. Now let's talk about the battery backup. As I always say, battery backup depends on lots of factors. So battery backup will not be same for everyone. And here you can see the battery drain on Oxygen OS Open Beta 4. On day 1 I got 3 hours and 55 minutes of screen on time with heavy gaming. On day 2 I got 5 hours and 19 minutes of screen on time with my normal usage. On day 3 I got 3 hours and 39 minutes with playing few games and normal usage. Talking about overnight battery drain, on day 1 I only noticed 3% of battery drain, and on day 2 I noticed 5% of battery drain, wherein my device was not connected to Wi-Fi network, it was completely on mobile data. Overall I am not happy with the battery backup on Beta 4. Battery backup was better on stable channel, but if we compare to stable channel, overnight battery drain seems to be less on Beta 4. So once again, not a good feedback when it comes to battery backup. If you are on beta channel, then you guys let me know in the comment section below what's the screen on time you're getting on your OnePlus 8 or 8 Pro. Last but not the least, now let's move on to the performance part. As I've been using this Open Beta 4 since the day it was released. It's been almost 3 to 4 days. It's almost a week when OnePlus released Open Beta 4. And if you take a look at the memory usage, Open Beta consumes a lots of memory compared to stable channel. On stable channel my device used to use only 5.1 GB, but here you can see device has been using 5.8 GB. Memory management seems to be great. I don't find any app reloading after leaving them running in the background for longer time. But while doing gaming, still touch issues are present on almost all the builds of Oxygen OS 11. I still face touch issues on my stable version and beta version. After even reporting this bug, OnePlus haven't fixed it. And if you are more into PUBG, you will also see lots of frame drops while having close fights or while landing at hot drops. I think OnePlus is in a lot of hurry to release Android 11 for their devices. Instead, they should more focus on bug fixes. So guys, that was a complete review of Oxygen OS 11 Open Beta 4. There are few major bugs available on Open Beta 4, and also battery and camera is not up to mark. So I won't recommend you guys to update your device to Beta 4. It's better to wait for the next update, and I'll get a video on that once it's available. So as of now, only this much in this video. Hope you guys like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you are new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.